Have you had a chance to look at unlimited profits on the internet? Sorry for the. Okay. Right. There's a number of videos. There's a welcome video, and then there's 3 videos called Getting Unstuck. Have you had a chance to watch those? Okay. Well, probably the way to really understand what unlimited profits is to watch those videos. So.
Oh my gosh. This car, oh my goodness, it's really dangerous here. Este carro ya se quedó ahí atorado.
Let me explain, okay?
Go.
Many times people try to start their own business, and they fail because they lack the training. And so in any other business, you receive training before you go to work, or before in any job. If you want to cut hair. What, baby?
This is good one.
I know, baby. My wife's giving me driving directions while I'm talking. I apologize. In any other profession, other than having your own business at home, in any other profession, you receive training before you start the job or before you start a business. And what Unlimited Profits does is offers you that training. So if you want to make money on the internet working from home, you can receive the training. That's what Unlimited Profits is. So the training is free. There's other advanced services that Unlimited Profits offers, but the most important thing is that you can get the training before you start, before you launch your business. And so we encourage you to watch a few videos to get an understanding of who we are as a community and what we do, and listen to a couple of live conference calls.
Mejor no salgas,
then you'll know. But that's what Unlimited Profits is. Now I understand you're retired. Is that correct? What kind of profession or career did you have? Real estate broker. Okay, so you had your own business before. And I don't have to tell you, because I used to be a real estate broker, how much training, not only in the beginning, but the continuing education that you had to have in order to remain licensed. Okay, well, what Unlimited Profits does is basically offer you the training that you need so your chances of success are better. And if you can imagine, if you had started in real estate without the training, how much more difficult it would have been. So that's in essence, that's what Unlimited Profits does. I'm sorry, one more time.